Hey guys, hey, this is Keith. Real quick, I just wanted to make a quick video for you. A few weeks ago, Ralph and I did a live training when we were in San Diego at the hotel room together, and we went over. It was a custom audience, website custom audience training, about an hour and a half. And at the beginning, I opened up Lucidchart and I showed you how to kind of start a mind map and how to. I told you that you should create a mind map funnel, okay, a website custom audience funnel for your business, okay, where you can kind of keep track of your URLs, keep track of your pixels if you need to, and just map out your funnel. Not only should you be using Lucidchart for that, but you should also be using Lucidchart for just mapping out any sales process that you have, or clients' processes that they have. If you have clients, and then you can give them that. It's a pretty cool thing to give them. Now, if you use Gliffy, Gliffy.com, that's fine too. They basically do the same thing. I just used Lucid. That's what we use. So what I've done is I've created a template for you that you can use yourself, and then you can just take and then delete or add in, move around the nodes and stuff for your specific business. So hope this is helpful for you. So basically what I did here was I created, this is a template for you to start with, okay? So you can do whatever you want with this, all right? Just note that the one that I shared with you is a read only, okay? It's a read only, and you're not going to be able to edit it. I'll show you how to edit that in a second. You have to just make a copy of it inside your documents area, and then boom, you'll have a, actually I'll just do that right now. So yours, if you don't have an, if you have, I think you might have to have a paid account to even do this. I'm not sure, but the one you're going to get from me is going to have a white background. It's not going to have a grid like mine is. What you're going to do is you're going to kind of go back to your main area here, and you're going to see it in your list of your documents. Right click and then hit copy. Okay? As soon as you do that, then you're going to have a new one right here. Double click on that, and guess what? That one will be editable, so you'll be good to go. Okay? So if you look at this here, what I've done is I've got group A, which is like the warm-up process, right? This is content. This is maybe a blog post here. This maybe is another blog post, or maybe it's a bucket of blog posts, okay, like we talked about on that webinar. Maybe this is, 3 articles related to, back pain. And then these ones are 3 articles related to sciatica. Okay, so like different kind of topics within your business. Maybe it's, fitness here. Maybe it's recipes and diet here. Get it? Okay, those types of things. If you have that. If you don't, maybe you just have one of these. Maybe at this point you don't have any. Now, if you don't, then that's obviously a to-do task. You're going to want to create at least 1 or 2 pieces of content that you can amplify with Facebook ads. Now, group B here is your the next step. It's your lead magnet. So maybe you have one lead magnet here. Maybe it's a checklist or something like that. Maybe you have a lead magnet. They opt in and they land on a thank you page, which is a sales page. Then they have an upsell, and there's another upsell. Okay. Maybe you have a lead magnet, and then you have a webinar registration on the thank you page. Maybe you have a webinar registration as the lead magnet, as the landing page. Okay. Okay. If that's the case, then you're gonna, delete these. Just get rid of them, and there you go. There's your lead magnet. Just gonna do that, and so you kind of, make it however yours is. So let's. Maybe you just have a lead magnet, and then what you're going to do, the cool thing here is you're going to click on this, you're going to right click, and then add a note. There's already a note there, so I can't do that, but you're going to have a note here, and what I've done is I put some URLs in here. So this one might be yoursite.com/free PDF. Okay. Now, the next one, let's say this page here, this is your thank you page after they opt in for your lead magnet, and it could also be a sales page, right? It's kind of 2 in 1. On this one, your note is going to have your URL, and you're also going to have your conversion pixel here, okay? So you can take your Facebook conversion pixel, copy it, and paste it right into this note. So any pixels, any other notes you want to have on this, it's great because you can now share this with your developer. You can share this with your team, okay? You can share this with your client, and then they can, your client's developers if you have clients. Same thing, upsell 2, upsell 1, upsell 2. Anything you have. So just basically make this how your funnel is. What I've done here is I've just given you a couple basic examples of retargeting. So let's say, for example, objective number 1 here. Let's say you want to generate leads from people. Whoops. Let's say you want to generate leads from people who have been to your website but have not yet opted in. So they've, read a piece, they've landed on something that you've done on your website, but they haven't opted in yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to target group A over here, and then you're going to exclude group C. You might exclude D and E if you want, but chances are they're not going to have landed on this one yet. But the point is A, and then you're going to exclude group C. Okay, you can see how you do it in Facebook. Look at that right there. The top one is included. It doesn't say include, but that's what it means. If it doesn't say excluded, then that means you're including that list, all visitors, and you're excluding opt-ins. Boom, which is this page. Let's say you want to sell to people that have opted in but have not yet bought. So you're selling to unconverted leads. Well, you're going to include group B. Okay, you could include A and B in this case if you wanted to, but include B, and then you're going to exclude group D, right? So if they've landed on upsell 1, guess what that means? That means they've bought up your initial offer on your sales page here, and they've landed on your thank you page. So anybody on this page, we want to make sure they're excluded on these ads, because guess what? You're going to drive traffic to probably a page similar to this that's got that offer on it. So that's, and it shows you how to do that over here. So this is, hopefully this is helpful for you. Like I said, all you have to do is just go into your main document list, right click, copy it, and you're going to be good to go. Let me know if this is helpful, and there's so many ways to do this. We could make this even more elaborate, but I wanted to get something for you guys, and feel free to, if somebody in the group, actually, you know what I might do? I might just give away a, I got some pretty cool sweatshirts and t-shirts made that got final designs, should be coming today because I just made 2 slight changes last night. I'll give away a pretty cool sweatshirt for somebody that creates, builds up a better version of this that we can use. I'd love to get some feedback from the group, from somebody to take this and just make it even better, and then we can share it. So, all right, talk to y'all soon. Have a good one.